So we're here on the Villebon claims, and as you can see in the background, there's a lot of swamp. So we've decided that the best time to attack this, to walk geophysics, is during the winter. So it's cold, we're using snowmobiles, it's rough walking, here we are.
Oh my God, look what just came out of the hole, Gary. I gotta show this to the camera. Massive pyrrhotite.
Wow.
What is that, 80%, 85% of the rock there?
Holy shit. Look at that.
That's all pyrrhotite. And as you can tell by my hands, there's a little bit of graphite mixed in with it.
And how deep are we?
6 rods almost. So I will measure in a second here, but around 3.6 meters deep.
Nice. And this is hole 1?
This is hole 1.
What you got there?
That, sir, is a fault zone, and we captured it all with the mini drill, and you can see how it's all brown instead of just black like the rock or the graphite, and that's because there's an awful lot of sulfide material, fine disseminated, in this goop. So we've got our heavy mineralization and our fault. And the fault actually starts up here. You can see the graphite on things right there. And we worked into it pretty hard.
And that's at 3.5 meters there?
3.36 right here. So I haven't taped it out, but yeah, that's 3.4 to 3.455 meters deep, roughly. And down to about 3.7 at the bottom of the hole.
Good.
So we've been here for 2 weeks now. We found an 85-meter long conductor. We've drilled all along it. We've seen all kinds of different intense alterations involving tourmaline, quartz, sericite, quartz calcite eyes. We've seen shearing. We've seen shears filled with metals, pyrrhotite and pyrite. We've seen some sphalerite going with the pyrrhotite. And now we've stepped away from our conductor. We had a delineated conductor. We used the beep mats and followed the outside edge of that conductor all the way around up on the hill behind you. Now we've stepped out of that and we found another weaker conductor. We're drilling that as part of what we're about to do, is drill along outside the conductor. We see lots of these good alterations in weak conductive zones, so we want to check out the alteration zone to the outsides of our conductor as well as our sheared conductor through the middle in order to test everything that we have here. And we've just done this hole, and Gary's got some core in the hole from the very bottom. And we're down 1, 2, 3, 4 rods, so about 2.65 meters. And I can tell by the water in the rod something's blocking its flow. And I've got some nice core here that I'm going to ask Aaron to bring up the camera and show to you. Heavily altered quartz calcite eyes, pyrrhotite.
It's too close. Yep.
Good.
Tiger striped, hornblende, and tourmaline. And we find this quite promising.